morning, my name is Jesse. I'm a project manager for Stella, and we're doing a house in Webster. The roof's about 24 years old. They had mold, he had it treated. He's not getting the proper circulation in the home to allow that air to flow. Originally he had box vents, so we're gonna add a whirlybird to allow that air to circulate. He had also cracked plywood, and then, yeah, we're drying in right now and tearing off the garage. With Stella, we rip off everything down to the plywood, and we expect every inch of it to make sure that if it's cracked, we don't want it to leave it like that, because that can also cause more damage later on. You don't want to keep bad wood on a home, because if the wood has mold, now the next piece is contaminated. Now your support rafters are contaminated. So now one small section turns into a very large section. So that becomes a small problem compared to an extremely large problem. Having good plywood and having the plywood exchanged, it protects your home. Underlayment is basically to protect the home, but that allows the house to remain secure from moisture. We don't use staples. When you use a staple gun, the staple hammer, all it does is poke holes throughout everything you're putting in. So we use cap nails. They hold the underlayment down, and then because it's a cap, it seals the nail as well. So it shows you there's no leakage penetrable at all. With this crew and every crew, we run lines to make sure that the lines are even, the shingles are straight, you're not getting the gaps, you're not getting the waviness. We run starter strips all on the eaves. You create a stair or a book, and it's supposed to look like stairs, and you connect them. With this customer, his house has insulation, also has baffles, but he's not getting the type of ventilation that he needs. It's too small to actually add the ridge vent to have his house breathe the way it needs to breathe and ventilate properly. Just like us, homes have to breathe. Without proper ventilation, you get mold, you get condensation that also causes bad wood. We went with a whirlybird. With a whirlybird, it actually moves the air around inside as well as it intakes the air. And then after that, we also caulk the final nails. Any exposed nails has to get caulked because we don't want any type of water getting in there. Another completed job in Webster, another happy customer, another stellar job, and this wraps it up for Jesse.